So today we're gonna make a bonfire, but not a real one. Because that'd be crazy. We're making craft work. We're not making a real one. Because that'd be absolutely crazy. We would not do that, never. No. So, bonfire. What do we need?
Some tape,
Nice.
paper towel, too.
Yeah, 2 paper towel rolls.
Some orange scissors.
Yeah, orange. What's this?
Some tape.
This is paint, not tape.
Again, this is a paint.
Yeah. So the colors that we need for paint is actually yellow,
What's the yellow?
yellow,
Yeah.
orange, red, but we also need black.
Yeah.
And so what's this?
Paint brushes.
Yeah.
What's this?
What's this? Oh, wait, how about we do this first?
Violet.
Yes.
What's this?
Whoa.
Cups.
Yeah. And we need, how many cups of it out?
30.
Yeah, you just said the answer, but hurry! Let's get started!
Don't say
Cookie Monster!
Even this Cookie Monster.
How much was it?
That's a Cookie Monster.
You have, wait, you have Cookie Monster on your night suit? But anyways, let's get started! Wait, what? What happened now?
Don't say Boss Baby.
Boss Baby! So the first step is we're gonna paint our cup. And so we're actually making one bonfire today together. Okay? So we have 3 colors we're gonna paint.
Yeah.
Yellow, orange, and red.
Yeah.
And so we gotta paint the outside of our cup and even the rim. So which color you want? Okay, which color you want? And I'm using orange. So, but before we start painting, how about, brothers, let's wash our brushes! Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah.
So now it is time to put on paint.
Yeah.
Be careful. No.
Whoa.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh my God.
This is
Look at this.
Ooh, yeah.
Look at this. So cool.
Look, I'm painting paper cups.
Jubaya,
Yeah?
can I do it here?
Yeah, paint it everywhere here. So, brothers.
Yeah.
So, you know, holiday just ended. Now we're actually going back to school.
Yeah.
So we actually had our grandparents over, and we played lots of board games with them, right?
Yeah. It's so fun. Yeah.
Hey, Renat, can you name one board game that we played?
Scrabble?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Yeah.
One time I beat my grandpa and my dad at the same time.
Yeah.
It was so crazy.
Yeah.
And we even played lots of card games.
Yeah.
And my dad kept beating me in that.
Yeah, I keep beating
And
I keep beating my grandpa. I keep beating him in the card game. And my daddy keep beating that. And you beat daddy.
yeah, and I also did lots of magic tricks, and it was so cool.
Yup. Yeah.
Okay, wait, do you realize that we're putting our hand in the cup and painting?
Yeah, that was so. Oh my, you just did too much than me. Look at me.
Oh, okay.
It's like a puppet. That was very funny. Okay, let's pick. It's like a chicken too.
What?
What?
It's a chicken? We're not making chickens.
No, we're not even making chicken.
We're making a bonfire.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna get 2 paper towel rolls, and Vivan's gonna hold the side, while me and Virat are painting the middle part. Okay?
Okay.
And you're gonna paint it with black paint. It's time for Virat to paint the second one. Painting, paint. Wait, so first we were painting cups, now we're painting paper towel rolls?
No, the sword.
How many things do we have to paint?
The sword.
So now that the paint is dry, we'll cut them in half. And when the cups have dried, cut them out like this.
There's a corner.
Yeah.
Oh.
They don't have tomatoes. So now it's time to stack them up. So look, I'm gonna put mine about here.
भैया जब हम में लगते हैं then noise हो जाती है.
Oh, so we'll keep this one right over here. And there you go. They've all been stacked up.
Tape the paper towel rolls like this.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Look, it's a bonfire. Wow.
Yeah. And the reason we made it, it's because it's Lohri.
What is Lohri?
Oh, Lohri is the celebration of the harvest season.
Wow.
Let's change and dance. Woo! Dance time.
Then eat the shopping.
सुंदर मुंदरिए तेरा कौन बेचारा दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले धी आई शेर शक्कर पाई कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा सालू कौन समेटे
And we're done. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye. See you next time. Happy Lohri! Yeah! Happy Lohri! Yes!
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ खुशियां दी रात आई चावां दी बरात आई खुशियां दी रात आई चावां दी बरात आई ठंडी ठंडी वगदी हवा लाड मलारां दी लोड़ी मुहब्बतां प्यारां दी लोड़ी लाड मलारां दी लोड़ी